Hello and welcome to Dgatech. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to make 30,000 naira with your smartphone and internet connection within 1 or 2 days without leaving your home, all with this website I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video. So if this interests you, click on the red or white subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Click on the like button and comment under the comment section DGA Tech. So I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will take you to the website. So let's load up the website right now. So the website is bet88u. So first of all, when you click on the link, you're going to be registering on the website. It will take you to their registration page at first. So what you'll be providing is your email address, then you choose a new password. So what you do here, you click on get. So it's on register now. You click on email address, you will enter your email address. So let's enter an email address. Let's enter an email address. I don't want to use this one because this was the one I used at first. Okay, let me use this. I have another one. Yeah, so let me use this one. So after your email address, you will enter a password. You choose a password. Choose a password that you can remember. Don't forget the password that you choose. Now my email has cleared, so I'm going to input it again. So now I'll input the password I can remember. You can choose any password as far as you can remember that password, and that password must be up to 8 characters. 8 to 30 characters. You must include letters and numbers in that password. So after inputting that, you click on register. When you click on register, you can save the password. You can just save it so that when you want to log in, you won't have to input password again. So as you can see right now, they're showing congratulations, registration successful. So what you will do right now is you will click on OK. Click on OK. They will show you deposit bonus. Click on the deposit. When you click on deposits, you click on this cancel above here. You cancel. Then you click on this cancel again. You cancel it. So your account is all set for this game, and it is a spin and win game. So what you will do now is you click on join now. Click on join now. So congratulations on getting 2 spins. Please go to the lottery. So you have been given 2 free spins to spin and win. You click on confirm. So it will take you to the lottery. This is the lottery center. But for now, it is blank because we just open it. You reload the page so that the spin wheel will come. It's going to come out here and you can be able to spin it. So let's reload the page. Let's wait for it to reload. You can spin it. All right, the page is loading. So those 2 spins now are what we are going to be using to get the 30,000 naira. So if you're lucky enough, your first spin or your first 2 spins is going to give you that 30,000 naira. But if you're not lucky enough, you might not get it with your first or second spin. Then you will have to do more tasks, more spin so that you can spin again. So that's how it just spin and wait. So let's wait to load. I don't know why it is taking time. Okay, I think it's coming up now. Let's wait for it to come up. I don't intend this video to be longer, to be this long, because of the network issue. Okay, you click on confirm. You can be saying this also. So you click on confirm, click on OK. So whenever you see such a thing, just know that that's how it works. Sometimes the network can be funny, but you just follow it that way because That's how you can be able to do it. So this is the wheel now. As you can see in the middle spin, we have two spins. So what you will do now is to click on the spin. Still loading up. Yeah, the page is still loading up, that's why. So when it loads up, we are going to click on that in the middle that has two spin. Once we hit it, we'll know the amount we are going to be getting. Yes, we'll know the amount we'll be getting for that spin. Yeah, you click on join, click on OK. Click on join now. So let's see what we are going to get. If you get 30,000 on the dots, oh, you can withdraw immediately. Oh, we got 29,940 naira. You click on confirm. So that's what we have here now. 29,940. And before you can withdraw it, you will need to have 30,000 naira on the dot. You have that 30,000. What you will do is you click on this withdraw here. When you click on withdraw, they will send that 30,000 naira to audit account. You can see audit account is showing 0 right now. But when you click on that withdraw, to go to audit account. From audit account around 4 a.m. they are going to approve it, then to come back to withdrawal amount or withdrawal account. Then you click on withdraw, you input your account number, and you'll be credited within 2 seconds or 5 seconds. Mine took 5 seconds and I was credited. So let's pin another one and see. Okay, I was given 10 naira added to this one, that is 29,950 naira. So we have exhausted our spin, but good news, there's a way we can get more spin from this place. You click on more spins, click on join Telegram, you just go back. Once you click on it, you go back, you click cancel, you say congratulations on getting one spin, you click on confirm, you have been given one spin for joining Telegram, which you did not join, but you can join it. You can just join it. But for the purpose of this video, I've joined it already. That's why I'm not joining it again. So now let's spin another one because we have one spin now. Click on spin. Still 10 naira. We are still given 10 naira. You see, we have many options here. We have 15 naira, 2 naira, 5 naira, 20 naira, 10 naira, 30,000 naira, and 1 to 30,000. And this what a pity is nothing. If you get it, you'll be getting nothing. You understand? So let's look for another spin. Click on more spins. So all what you'll be doing here is just to complete this task and you'll be given spins. You understand? So once you complete any task, you'll be given the spin to spin. And once you complete the 30,000 naira, you can withdraw it into your bank account. So if you want to share the link, you can click on invite one friend and get spin. You click on WhatsApp, you share it to the person's WhatsApp. You share it individually. Don't copy link and send to 5 people. You send it one. You understand? So that's how you're going to do it. And as you're inviting, you're given more spins. You are getting more spins to spin. So this is how you can be able to get. Okay, let me show you the alert I got, because I got an alert from them. I did mine. Was it what was the date? Forgotten the date, but I think it's 4 days ago that I did mine. So let me show you the alert so it won't look as if I'm saying something that I did not do. So this is the 30,000 naira. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, this is not the one. This is it. So this is the 30,000 naira I received from this same website that I'm showing to you right now. And I received it on the 16th of October 2024. As you can see, this is after 4. That is 4 a.m. 6 minutes after 4. So that's when I received this money. Then I placed withdrawal and I received it within 5 seconds. So this is how it works. If you want to make this, you can just follow these few steps and you can be able to withdraw. So if you experience any problem or any issue concerning this website, you can drop it in the comment section and I'm going to address it in another video, or I can comment or reply to your comments. So don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share this video to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed. Stay safe and God bless.